If you need to change the fog light bulb on your Nissan Rogue, I'm going to show you how. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button so you can see more videos on the channel here. Once you remove these two tabs and this little Torx bolt, I just use these, and I just use this little torque wrench to do this. Once you do, you don't necessarily have to remove this bolt unless it's too tight. Now you can see this is the lens. As far as the bulb goes, there's a plug behind this, and there's a lot of space behind this area right here, but getting up in there is the question. Once we have this loose and pulled out this way a little bit, yeah, we can get our hand up in there. Primarily this is to relieve this here. It relieves this little plastic cover here, and once you get that out, see, then you can get your hand up in here. And how does it look like when you're going up in there? You can see how it connects back there. And all that room behind the front fender, the front bumper. It's just getting your hand up there between the windshield washer reservoir and the back of this light there that you're going to kind of twist out, unsnap where the tab is. So once you get your hand up in there, it's going to rest in there. There's nothing you need to take loose back here as far as getting this to where you can actually work on it and detach it. Just twist it counterclockwise and it will come out. You see that little tab right there? You would think you got to push it in, but you don't push it in, you just pull it out. All you have to do is pull the tab toward you a little bit and hold the one end while you're pulling the bulb loose, and it comes right out. I've already got this one loose. Check my little hat clip light out that I have right there. Now that's a big help. You can put it on your hat, or you can stick it up on something like in here in this bumper well or whatever you want to call it. Now we'll go ahead and get the new bulb put on, and you can tell we're going to be putting in the light bulb replacement right there. This is the old one, and this is the LED replacement. This thing definitely has some more weight to it. When you're putting this back on, I've just reinstalled this, but what you'll have to do is hold it in your hand counterclockwise to where when it slips in there, you'll know it's the right spot, and then twist it clockwise and it'll snug up in there. Nothing will be able to get in there, and you'll know it's on there correctly. But you may have to hold it a little tilted to where it will go in, and then give it that twist. That way it's pointed at an angle down to the ground. And you can see over here on the driver's side, I just have the little Torx screw loosened and the tabs taken out, but I don't have this bolt loosened or this one or this tab removed, and I can pry this loose just enough to get my hand in here right behind the fog light. That's all I'm trying to do. There's no need to turn this into a science project. So all we're going to do is we're going to reach up here And we're going to turn this counterclockwise. You can see it comes right out. Just be careful with the wiring. Once again, you can tell how this tab here, just remember this tab, you don't push it in. You can almost do it here. I've got one hand on the camera. But you're pulling this tab out toward you a little bit, and then you're holding it with this hand and on that side, and then pulling the bulb loose. You can just see how that snaps into place like that. Now we'll put this up here, and we're going to hold it. We're going to twist it a little bit. So now we're going to reinstall this. And you can tell that it is working. And we'll come over to the driver's side, and it's working too. And now, since the light works, went ahead and put this back together with the torque wrench. This bolt, put the tab back in here. Should be ready to go. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit that like button and the subscribe button so you can see what's coming up next.